Oh, this is a great question. Excellent point, Noemi. Too many brands spend hours tweaking campaigns on Amazon only to see marginal gains when the real wins come from streamlining structures, eliminating leak points, focusing on iterations. Would love to hear what is one automatic setting you see the most often overlooked and bleeding budget by sellers. One of the things that is automatic, and this is again something that I created a separate episode with Michael Erickson of Ad Badger. It was about the sneaky defaults that Amazon has whenever you're creating your campaign. Is the bidding. There are 3 biddings. So right now, whenever you're creating manually a campaign within the ad console, the first one is up and down. The second one is down only. Third one is fixed. I think a year ago or something like that, Amazon made this switch that they changed this placement. So first it was bidding down only. The second one, it was bid up and down. And then the third one was fixed bid. So what Amazon did on the back end, they switched bidding down only to bidding up and down as their default. Be very careful because Amazon can up your bid based on whatever they consider you would be converting for. Double check that your bidding is never up and down. The second thing that it's an auto setup whenever you're creating your campaign, it's going to allow you to create a campaign in multiple marketplaces. For some brands, we've seen this on by default. For others, it's still you require a check mark to have that. But for you, whenever you're creating your ads, ensure that it's going to be created only the marketplace you want to create the ads. Giving you an example, if you're selling both in US and Canada, and by mistake this setting is on, you would be creating ads both in US and in Canada, which again, Amazon is just going to spend your money. It's not their fault. For advertising platform, they're trying to maximize as much as possible their profits. I do have a third one that is automatic setting, and this is especially regards the daily budget limit. So if you're going to go into your ad console and the settings section, and when they rolled out this feature, what they did is Amazon made a switch that they are allowed to spend up to 100% your budget. AKA, if you have a $3,000 monthly budget, they were maxing your budget to $6,000. This is really important because it's a sneaky default that you're not going to see until you're going to notice that, hey, I'm spending way more than I wanted to initially on a daily basis. So you would have to check on a daily basis. That's what we're doing during daily account monitoring. We are checking daily how much we are spending, because we can see if there are any adjustments